slipping through my fingers all the time. I try to capture every minute, the feeling in it, slipping through my fingers all the time. Do I really see what's on my mind? Each time I think I'm close to knowing, she keeps on growing. So cute, guys. So I'm going to pick up my hair now, so that's what I'm going to do now. So let's go and get that done. Hi guys, welcome to a new vlog. How are you guys doing? I think in my previous vlog I said we're going to be doing weekly vlogs, but today you're going to be spending the day with me. I'm meant to be out right now and it's raining. It is raining and it was meant to be for 2 and it's 2 currently. I think I'll be heading there by 3. I'm over rainy season, like can it be over? But anyways guys, see my nails, they're so cute. I went with short nails so that it's more convenient for me, and the accessories. I look cute today. So anyways, today we're going for a event, so it's like a beer splash type of event and it's supposed to be fun, but it is raining. I hope you can hear me, but anyways, this is, let me show you the outfit for today because it is so cute. Wait, let me but hope you guys can see. Let me show you guys this way. Okay, so this is the outfit for today. The accessories, this, like, I love when old things come back, like this old trend is back, and I went on Temu and ordered a bunch of accessories, so I'll be doing like a haul for you guys, like a separate video. But anyways, like this is a sneak peek for that. I really hope you guys can hear me because the rain is getting so bad. But anyways, this is the outfit. I'm so excited, like I'm literally so excited to be outside. This is the outfit for today. So I'm just going to wait for this rain to actually stop. It gets flooded at my area a lot, like it floods. Oh my god. Let me just, I think I should just book my Uber and just be going. Can you hear the rain? But anyways, how are you guys doing? Let's catch up in the comments, and this is going to be a fun vlog. The thing I'm excited about is actually meeting new people, because that is what I want to do, like connect with people, network, and I really hope I make some genuine connections today. But anyways, like, let me talk to you guys when this rain has, like, because I'm not sure if you guys can hear me clearly, but yeah, let's pause on that. Thank you for making our time to try this. I hope you enjoyed this as much as I did. Oh my god, so many cameras. Yeah, so let's just have fun. In front of you, you have your aprons, your gloves, and then all that you need. So you can actually wear your aprons now. Let's start. event was amazing. I'm just getting back home. What's the time? Wait, 7:05. That was a beautiful event. Like, I love a well curated event. So I got in a little bit late. I got in like an hour late, but it wasn't like they've not even started when I got in because of the rain. I think it held up a lot of people, so they took like an hour before they started real time. But we started off with the painting, and then we got to make charm bracelets. Like, is this not cute? I got to pick like my charms. I went with this moon because it was so pretty. Then I went with this bear because it symbolizes the event, like bear obviously. Then I went with my name symbol for T for Tori, and we had cocktails, we had wine, we had small chops. Like, I couldn't talk to you guys real time over there because of copyright. It was music playing in the background, but the event was beautiful. Like, I think I should look out for more curated events like this because this was actually nice. I would definitely be attending something like this. It was a good event. I got to meet new people. I was a little bit shy at first, but I had to like walk up to people and talk and like interact, but it was beautiful. Like, I loved the event. So this is my beer. The way I was protecting this, like it was my child, because the carrot was bumpy, so it's not yet dry. So when it dries up, I would style it in my room. But this is stinking cute. Oh wait, like I think this is blocking this. But guys, this is so cute. This is so cute. I can't wait to style it. I went with pink obviously because I love pink, but I got to take cute pictures, and yeah, it was just a lovely day. Like, I'm so happy I got to spend the day with you guys. So if you got up to this portion of this video, leave this emoji, and don't forget to subscribe because I don't think I do outros. I really needed to come on here because the event was so amazing. I had a lovely time. Like, I had to meet the organizers and like give them like feedback because the event was so good, and I can't wait to see what else they come up with, and I'll be definitely attending. But yeah, that's all for this video. The next video should be my Temu haul. Not sure when it's going to come out, but when you see that video, don't forget to show up on that video and show your love. And yeah, that's the end of this one. See you guys in my next video. I love you guys so much, and bye.